Good Monday afternoon, everybody. Eli Robinson here, Chief Trivia Officer of Watercooler Trivia. So over the course of the last few months, we haven't been doing these videos every single week. Not that many people watch them, but we got a couple things. Somebody wrote in and asked where the videos were, and we also had an amazingly special game and something very unique that happened this week. So I really wanted to get online here and talk to you guys about it. So the game this week was called Perfect Double Pangram. So we set it up this way. On October 2nd, 2015, Google restructured its corporate affairs and became Alphabet Inc. To celebrate the 8-year anniversary of its arrival, you're going to need a mastery of your ABCs for this week's quiz. Then we had a little video announcing it. A pangram is a set of words that uses every letter of the alphabet at least once. A perfect pangram contains every letter of the alphabet exactly once, and a perfect double pangram contains every letter of the alphabet exactly twice. Believe it or not, the answers to questions 1 through 10 in this quiz are a perfect double pangram. So once you use a letter twice, you won't need it again. So the first thing I just want to do is shout out to TJ who created this game. This is very, very hard to do, right? So you're setting a set of constraints, which for us is 10 questions, and you have to perfectly use 52 letters, right? Each of the 26 letters exactly one time. Now, there are some things, and TJ is a very clever quiz creator, there are some things that he does that's very helpful. So you can see a couple of them are just letters like QWERTY or J, X, Q, and Z, which are the Scrabble letters, the KW. But for those of you who are word puzzle fans and like other various word puzzles, I just want to say I hope you really appreciated this one because this is really, really hard to do. We did a pangram last year, and then we did the double pangram this year, which we really, really liked. Now, the reason this is one of the reasons I wanted to get on, but the real reason I wanted to get on and record this video for you guys is so we have this question amongst our team, which is does anyone actually read the instructions to our quizzes? A lot of weeks you don't need the instructions to the quizzes. It's just kind of like a way to set up why we ask the specific questions, but this week you definitely needed the instructions, right? It's a massive, massive help to understand that the letters are going to work in that way. However, what actually happens when you don't read the instructions? So this is what I really wanted to share with you guys. So this is the results of the quiz from this week. So as you can see, almost 30% of people get a perfect score. And then the reason I'm so kind of worked up about all of this is the first time, and I've been with the company over 18 months. This is the first time that we've created a quiz for you guys that there is not the distribution is not singular in its direction. So it's bimodal in the fact that the most people got 10, and then in every other quiz, if this was the case, the second most correct answers that people would have had it was 9. But in this case, you actually see a dip down to 9 and then going back up to 8. We have been waiting. This is a true data anomaly. It has never happened in our company before. And what's happening here, the easiest explanation for what's happening is that there's just a lot of people who don't read the instructions. And so these people who get 8 think they're on just a normal hard trivia game. They probably saw that it was something and I don't really care. And so they're not using the tools at their disposal to actually get as many as they possibly can. And it's just so fascinating from a data perspective. I think I don't know how we could recreate this or how we could do it again, but a really, really interesting quiz and quiz results. I hope you read the instructions and I hope you got 10 because that would have been really fun. Once again, I'm Eli Robinson, Chief Trivia Officer here at Watercooler Trivia. We hope you enjoyed this week's game as much as we did. Until next time, keep on trimming on.